Hello friends, in the series on income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case on section 144C subsection 13. Section 144C subsection 13 broadly says that the assessing officer has to pass the final assessment order within 1 month from the end of the month in which the DRP directions are received. The issue before Honorable Delhi High Court was that this 1 month period limitation should be calculated from which date, whether it is the date on which the DRP directions are uploaded on the ITBA portal or the date on which the assessing officer has received the order in dark. This issue has been decided by Honorable Court in the case of Commissioner of Income Tax International Taxation versus Hyundai Rotem Company, and this case is reported in 484 ITR at page number 448, and the date of the judgment is 29th October 2025. In the present case, when the assessment was going on, there was some issue regarding the international transactions. The matter was referred to the TPO. TPO passed its order. According to that order, the assessing officer passed the draft assessment order. Against draft assessment order, the assessee raised the objections before the DRP, and the DRP uploaded its order on the ITBA portal on 24th May 2022. When this order was uploaded on the ITBA portal on 24th May 2022, after that the assessing officer received the order in dark on 1st June 2022. The assessing officer calculated the limitation period from the date when the order was received in dark and not from the date when the order was uploaded on the ITBA portal. So the assessing officer passed the assessment order on 1st July 2022. The assessee filed the appeal before the tribunal by taking the ground that in the present case the assessment order is time barred. According to the assessee, the limitation period for calculating for passing the assessment order was from the date on which the directions of the DRP are uploaded on the ITBA portal. Since the directions are uploaded on the ITBA portal on 24th May 2022, so the 1 month ends on 30th June 2022. Since the order has been passed on 1st July 2022, so the assessment is time barred. When the tribunal heard the matter, the tribunal said that section 143 subsection 3A, which talks about e-assessment scheme 2019, broadly says that the order, notices and all the decisions must be necessarily uploaded on the ITBA portal. The tribunal said that section 144C subsection 13 says that the period of limitation should be calculated from the date when the DRP directions are uploaded on the ITBA portal. According to the tribunal, once the directions are uploaded on the ITBA portal, the DRP loses the control over the DRP directions, and when the DRP directions are uploaded on the ITBA portal, then it should be treated as ipso facto service of the DRP order, both for the assessee and for the assessing officer. The tribunal said that faceless assessment scheme and mode of communication of orders are totally different concepts, and the contentions of the revenue that the dark has been received from 1st June 2022, and so the limitation period should be calculated from 1st June 2022, or the contention of the revenue that the manual orders uploaded on the ITBA portal were not appearing on the work list of the assessing officer. So these contentions of the revenue are not tenable. The tribunal said that even the contention of the revenue that the DRP order has not been received on mail is not justified, and hence the assessment order is time barred. The department was also contesting that the assessee was excluded from the faceless regime. For this, the tribunal said that the electronic mode of communication is applicable for international transactions also. So the tribunal quashed the assessment proceedings on the ground of limitation. The revenue moved to the Honorable Delhi High Court, and Delhi High Court also upheld the order of the tribunal. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Commissioner of Income Tax International Taxation versus Hyundai Rotem Company, and this case is reported in 484 ITR at page number 448, and the date of the judgment is 29th October 2025. Thank you, friends.